Hi students, we will understand some more points about human brain and its major regions. The brain directs our body's internal functions. It also integrates sensory impulses and information to form perceptions, thoughts, and memories. The brain gives us self awareness and the ability to speak and move in the world. Four major regions make this possible. The cerebrum, with its cerebral cortex, gives us conscious control of our actions. The diencephalon mediates sensations, manages emotions, and commands whole internal systems. The cerebellum adjusts body movements, speech coordination, and balance, while the brain stem relays signals from the spinal cord and directs basic internal functions and reflexes. Cerebrum, it is called as the seat of consciousness. High intellectual functions occur in the cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest brain structure and part of the forebrain. Its prominent outer portion, the cerebral cortex, not only processes sensory and motor information but enables consciousness, our ability to consider ourselves and the outside world. It is what most people think of when they hear the term grey matter. The cortex tissue consists mainly of neuron cell bodies. The cerebral cortex has a left and a right hemisphere. Each hemisphere can be divided into four lobes: the frontal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, and parietal lobe. The lobes are functional segments. They specialize in various areas of thought and memory, of planning and decision making, and of speech and sense perception. Second main part is the cerebellum. Fine tunes body movements and maintains balance. The cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. It sits or sits below the posterior lobes of the cerebrum and behind the brainstem as a part of the hindbrain. Like the cerebrum, the cerebellum has a left and right hemispheres. A middle region, the vermis, connects them. Within the interior tissue rises a central white stem called the arbor vitae because it spreads branches and sub-branches through the hemispheres. The primary function of the cerebrum is to maintain posture and balance. When we jump to the side, reach forward, or turn suddenly, it subconsciously evaluates each movement. The cerebellum then sends signals to the cerebrum, indicating muscle movements that will adjust our position to keep us steady. The brainstem relays signals between the brain and spinal cord and manages basic involuntary functions. The brainstem connects the spinal cord to the higher thinking centers of the brain. It consists of three structures: the medulla oblongata, the pons, and the midbrain. The medulla oblongata is continuous with the spinal cord and connects to the pons above. Both the medulla and the pons are considered part of the hindbrain. The hindbrain means the midbrain or mesencephalon connects the pons to the diencephalon and forebrain. Besides relaying sensory, motor, and